Meaning of fielding.
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 Fielding. Fielding has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One possible interpretation is the act of playing defense in a sport such as baseball or cricket, where team members take turns catching and throwing the ball to prevent the opposing team from scoring points. In a broader sense, fielding can refer to the management of a particular area of expertise or responsibility within an organization. Regardless of its interpretation, being proficient in fielding generally leads to a more successful outcome in the relevant area of activity.